Welcome to another exciting episode of Invest in Yourself, the channel where financial guru Clive Harper assists you to achieve financial wellness. In today's episode, Clive is dealing with health insurance.
Health cover consists of two parts. On the one side, there's health insurance, which is not a medical aid, and it does not replace medical aid. And on the other side is medical aid. So the purpose of this discussion is to talk about both components to help you save money. Health insurance has been devised for companies, and I know some companies offer it for individuals as well, but it's mostly for companies 5 employees or more, where the employees earn less than 40,000 Rand. And as I said, it doesn't replace medical aid, but it gives you comprehensive cover. It covers day-to-day visits with your GP, it covers blood tests, it can cover unlimited GP visits, but most importantly for the employers out there, you know, where employees have to go and queue at clinics and wait there the whole day for their medication. If you have health insurance, your chronic medication can be delivered to your place of work as well. Now, employers out there, this will help you improve your productivity so that employees don't have to take days off to get their medication. And you can add on emergency cover, there's maternity cover, and there's funeral cover as well. To give you an idea, in terms of the premium will cost you between 300 and 400 Rand. As I said, it's a very, very good product for people who do not have any cover whatsoever. But we must just bear in mind, it's not medical aid. It doesn't replace medical aid. It's a short-term product. When I talk about short-term, I think about your house insurance and your car insurance, so it falls under the short-term license. And then on the medical aid side, medical aid is like a car. You know what? If you buy an expensive vehicle with all the trimmings, if you have an expensive medical aid, you get all of those benefits. So there are multiple options around. The first tier is basically medical aid that is income driven. And depending on your level of income, that will determine the premium that you pay. The second part is your hospital part. When you go into hospital for a planned procedure or for an emergency. Now that can be split into any hospital or a network or associate hospital. If you take a network or associate hospital, you pay far less. Now the other part is, what about your chronic condition? Because medical aids cover chronic conditions. Some medical aids charge you for chronic, whether you have a chronic condition or not. Some you can actually take out a non-chronic plan. I want to give you an example. Look at me. I suffer from hypertension and cholesterol. My wife doesn't and my son doesn't. So the chronic plan was about 1,000 to 1,200 Rand more, but my medication is only 300 Rand. So in this case, it's better for me to go onto a non-chronic plan, transfer the difference there of 1,000 or so into a savings component, and from there I fund my chronic medication. I think this is just brilliant. And what I've found in these difficult times, many people have opted for a hospital plan that could cover possibly 100% of medical aid rates, but there you need gap cover. Gap cover is very important because it covers all your co-payments. And what if that specialist charges 200 or 300% of the medical aid rate? Gap cover then pays the difference. So if you have hospital cover with gap cover, and then you can look and see if you need chronic benefits. And then look at the loyalty side of it as well, because some companies will pay you to be healthy. I know of a company that can actually pay you 1,000 Rand a month for just being healthy. So what companies should be doing out there is offering their staff possibly 2 to 3 different medical aid options so that you can choose the medical aid that suits your lifestyle and saves you money. In addition to health insurance and medical aid, there's also another addition called gap cover, which you can consider. Now, gap cover is very important because it covers your co-payments and it covers you for those extra charges your specialist may bill you. For example, your surgeon may charge much more than what your medical aid pays, and then gap cover will cover the difference.
This is the end of our episode for today. Thank you for watching. If you found this episode useful, please like, share and subscribe. Feel free to contact Clive at any time. He will be glad to help you achieve financial wellness.
Listen, Tranquility Base here. The Eagle has landed.